I just got an order of peonies from Eden Brothers. I ordered 15, 3 varieties, 5 roots per variety. So let's see what they look like. Oh, okay, let's see. So this is Bartzella. I ordered 5 Bartzellas. So this is a Ito peony, so it's a cross between a tree peony and a herbaceous peony. You can see the eyes right there. So there should be 5 of those in here. Yep, here's another one. Look at that. Gotta be careful with the eyes. Another one. They are ready to be planted, that's for sure. So typically you plant peonies in the fall. That's the best time, but spring planting is okay as well. This is Coral Supreme. This was bred in the 60s with all the other corals that you've probably heard of, Coral Charm and Coral Sunset. This is kind of their sister, Coral Supreme. So you don't really hear about that one as often. So I got 5 of these Coral Supremes. So they're early blooming coral color. They're more of a vibrant coral that hold on to their color longer. This is the 4th Bartzella. This one looks really good. Lots of eyes on that one. And then the 3rd variety that I got is Old Faithful, which is right here. I got 5 of these. Huge shoots on those. Have to be careful when planting. This is a red that gets huge 6 to 7 inch blooms. I want to compare it to Henry Boxtos, which is similar. Old Faithful. Classic varieties, also bred in the 60s. And the 5th Bartzella. This one's smaller. But they all look like they're still alive, have eyes on them. Coral Supreme. Old Faithful. Coral Supreme. Coral Supreme, and Old Faithful. So it looks like all 15 of them are here. They need to go in the ground right away. They already have shoots, they're ready. So we're gonna be planting them right now. This Coral Supreme looks like is empty. I don't feel any roots in there at all. This is still closed. I didn't open it. Yeah, it's empty. So here are all 15, 5 Old Faithfuls, 4 Coral Supremes, 1 empty bag. I'll reach out to them about that. And the 5 Bartzellas. In this plastic container, I bought some clearance Coral Sunset peony roots, half off. So I picked out the ones that were still kind of hydrated. They weren't shriveled up and completely dead, and they had eyes. And then I just put them in this little container to hydrate them and see if they will actually grow. And it looks like they are growing. This one put on shoots. So that's good. That means they are alive and I can plant them in the garden just fine, I believe. This one doesn't have any roots though. We'll still plant that and see what happens. I bought 2 packages and they're alive. You can see the little white nubs for the little roots coming out. So I'm gonna go ahead and plant them. And this is interesting because Coral Sunset is an adventitious root, which means that it can send out eyes from any part of the root, which I think that's what's happening here. So I'm gonna go ahead and plant that as well. Let's see if there's anything else in here. So I bought 2 packages and all these were in there. I think that's it. So looks like there's signs of life on all of them. This one sprouted, but there's no like roots coming out of it. So we have the Bartzellas planted right here, 4 feet apart. And a few Coral Sunset I got from Home Depot for half off at the end of the season. And then this Coral Supremes are right here, left a hole for the missing one. And then we're doing the Old Faithful right here. All right, we got everything planted just in time, just before dark. So we'll see how it grows.